Do you think it is difficult to remove the background of a picture? If you do, then don't worry, because in this video I'm going to tell you how to remove the background of a picture using an amazing website. But before I start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, now let's go towards our computer.
Okay, so we are on our Google web. Now over here we're going to search for Snap Edit. Once we have searched, we need to click on this link here. Now let's upload an image. I'll take this image. There. Now I need to edit this. Now for example, in this feature of this website, I'll edit the video by there's a brush here, and you need to choose a size for the brush according to the thing you need to remove. Now for example, if I need to remove these trees, I have chosen a side 57. So there. Now I'll brush this over the tree I want to remove, and I also want to remove this grass, so I'll also brush over there. There. Now I'll click on remove. You need to wait. Now can you spot that tree or that grass? So this is a great app. Now I need to click on download. There, picture is being downloaded. Now see, you cannot spot that grass or that tree. So now let's move on towards the next feature of this website. This is remove background. Now we need to choose an image. For example, again I'm going to choose the same image. There. You can see that the background of this image has been removed. Okay, now you can even put different colors of background, like black, red, or any other color you want. But if you want that there should be no background, you just need to choose this area, so you can go with this background. Okay, now let's download and see the result. There. Now from here I'll copy the image, and I could paste it anywhere on posters, thumbnails, banners, logos, profiles, etc. So this is such a wonderful app. The link for this website is available in the description of the video. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.